Very strange. We have some bright blue skies over here, but you turn and they get so dark. Bright? Dark. Ugh. I hope we get more of these soon. Look how dark it got. Wow. And it's raining. Wow. Wowee. Pouring. Pouring rain. It's so dark. Those poor boats. Wow. Libby, come inside.
So we did a bit of a Publix and Fresh Market run, and we got some stuff going on here. We got, what is this, crab?
Real taco meat.
Oh, real taco meat.
And fake taco meat.
I don't know if that's taco meat. They're Morningstar Farms crumbles.
Well, it could be taco meat. That's what it's going to turn into.
And we got a choice of many seasonings tonight. And some stand-up things. Taco shells. And some water.
Yep.
Is that water?
Yes.
Okay.
It's for the seasoning.
And we got that. And I'm going to make some spicy beans.
Ooh.
I'm excited.
We're going to have taco night. Tacos? I got some tacos. Are you getting your tacos?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'll have a taco.
Ah, hungry. You went for the fake meat option.
Yes.
With some beans.
Yes.
And did you put cheese?
No.
No cheese.
No cheese.
Onions, beans, and meat. Fake
Correct.
meat.
Correct.
Aha.
Going down the hole, going down the hole. Hi, Libby. Are you being a puppy? Where are we going? You're leading the way? Okay. So we made it to the actual beach of South Beach. And this is always very nice. It's difficult to have a bad time at the beach unless, well, I don't know, I really don't want a list of things that are bad at the beach, but this is nice. The water's always warm here every time we've been, and the atmosphere is nice, and the air is very fresh and clean for the most part, and you just can't beat it. You really can't. It's a nice day. It really is. And it's a nice place to do some plane spotting, which I really like to do. That might be a 777 right there. Can't tell. But there it is.
Did you like the beach?
I did.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's nice.
That's nice. Libby missed you.
I know.
And now she's running away from you. Good girl. I'm so happy the skies decided to clear up. And Lincoln Road is a lot more crowded because it's Saturday. But you know, fun times. Decided to stop for Pizza Rustica and get a slice of pizza to snack on. And I'm meeting up with Aunt at the Abbey. Let's go. Here we go, the Abbey.